we should understand what does it mean by literacy. The word literacy means the ability to read and learn. And it is very important that each and every individual have the right to literacy and education. And we must understand that literacy should begin at home. And parents should play a very important role where they should have the habit of reading and inspire their kids at home to read books so that students can develop the habit of reading. And reading, as we all know, once we know how to read and learn, will lead to a lot of changes in the life, the future of the student. We must understand that education is the key to success. Education can change the way of life of each one of us, where we may not foresee what are those changes. But and in this way, the future, the life of the student, each one of us will change, and they can become success in life. So that's why we must understand that each one of us should pay attention, concentrate on studies. Nowadays, we have seen that there is dropout also among the students. Why dropout took place? First of all, some students, they left school because they lack interest in their studies and they see no future for their life. They have no aim. And further, the role of social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and others had affected student studies. Some students, they are misguided by false promises that they encounter through social media. And some of them, they left their studies, affecting their career, their future. So students must understand, must realize how to judge what are the real knowledge and what are the false promises that you encounter through social media, so that your future will not be affected. So in this way, we can counter dropout among the students. And teachers also, they have a big role to play when it comes to dropout, where they must create the classroom interest among the students, so that students, they can have interest in their studies and concentrate, and so that dropout can be tackled or can be reduced. So teachers have a very, very important role to play, and parents also, they have a very important role to play, encourage, motivate their own child, where they will go to school, they will continue their studies and help them to see that education is their future. So in this way, we can control the dropout that took place among the students in our state, in our district. The government has emphasized that dropout at any cost must be stopped. So the teachers, the parents, the society as a whole, and from the students themselves, they must understand that this must be stopped. And last but not the least, once again, I remind all the students that you must understand that education is the bridge from misery to hope, where through education, there is a future, there is a hope for you. And one important point here, we must understand that education does not mean only to get government job, but once you have the education, you can stand in your own feet, and you will not be misled by any false ideas or false promises. So once we have education, we can analyze the differences, what is right and what is wrong, and we can also decide our future. That's why the government, along with other countries in the world, take part to celebrate the World Literacy Day with the aim to create awareness among the people of the country that all students must go to school, must have education, each and every individual have the right to literacy and education. And this is the awareness that the government emphasizes on, and the government alone will not be able to fulfill that. It needs the cooperation of each one of us. So I hope that students you join today in this program. Now we will start the rally, and you will understand that this is very important, not just for the sake of the rally, but to create awareness. And when you go back from here, you tell your friend, if any of your friends do not go to school, make him or her understand that it is very important to go to school to get the basic knowledge of education so that they will have the bright future. So with these people, I thank you, all the students from different schools who have joined in this World Literacy Celebration, and also to understand how to tackle or to control the dropout that took place among the students in different schools. So thank you to all the students, the teachers who have joined, and also to the Office of District Mission Coordinator, SSA Southwest Khartoum District, for organizing this event. I declare to open this rally to celebrate the World Literacy Day.
Literacy!